Hello everyone. I saw this question. It's 7 marks and I thought let's do it together. So question 10 here. The first part is asking you to simplify 6m all to the power of 0. This is 1 mark. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this is just 1. The second part of this question says solve 5y plus 20 is less than 7y plus 1. Please pause and try it yourself. To solve this question, make all the y's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So what I will do is I'll move this 5y to the other side by doing minus 5y. This one will cancel. So on the left side you have just 20 is less than 7y minus 5y is 2y plus 1. Do minus 1 to move that one away. So this cancels. 20 minus 1 is 19 is less than 2y. We don't want 2y, we just want y. So divide by 2. That means 9.5 is less than y. How did I get the 9.5? I divided 19 by 2 and that's it. We finished. This is 2 marks. The third part says factorize fully. That means what's in here and there at the same time, take it out. Just take the common things. So the 15 and 25, they both have 5 in common. So I'll take the 5 out. W squared and W to the power of 3, they have W squared in common. X to the power of 5 and X squared, I'll take X squared. Now what's left? If you take 15W squared, X squared, you will have X to the power of 3 left here, because just 3 and 2 makes 5. Plus, if you take 5 out of 25, you will have 5 left. You have W to the power of 3. We take W to the power of 2 out, so we'll have just W left. And the X squared is outside, so there is nothing here. And I think that's all for this. It's 2 marks. Now the last part is this. Simplify 36a to the power of 5, c to the power of 7 divided by 12, a squared c to the power of 3. To answer this question, do this part first. What's 36 divided by 12? It's 3. And what's a to the power of 5 divided by a squared? It's a to the power of 5 minus a2. And then c to the power of 7 divided by c to the power of 3 is c to the power of 7 minus 3. Now the 3 is 36 divided by 12, okay? Now what's a to the power of 5 minus 2? It's a to the power of 3. C to the power of 7 minus 3 is c to the power of 4. So you got 3, a to the power of 3, c to the power of 4, and I think that's all. This is 7 marks. Can you imagine? That's all. Is there any way on which you can solve this? Do you find it easy? Do you find it deserving more questions? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for following. That's all. Bye.